All right. Hope everybody's doing well. It's your boy Hansom, your favorite camera repair tech. We are here today with the Canon R5. I think I've done some video on this. I don't know. I can't keep track. Got a quick and easy one today. Every time I say that, the repair never goes that way. See if the camera gods shine upon us. First and foremost, I want to say thank you for taking time out to watch this video, whether you are doing this to fix your camera, your personal workhorse, or you're actually interested in camera repair or watching this, or if you subscribe or comment or like, I like negative comments, I like positive comment. I like helping you. You are why I'm here. All right, enough of that garbage. Let's go ahead and dive into what's going on with the R5. We got this limited edition green stripe. No, I'm just playing. The customer brought this in. Of course, they don't have a lot of money. They need a screen because we turn the camera on and we have no screen. They put some tape in there. You can see it is. With that being said, I gave them a loaner, so they were like, look, I need this fixed, don't have a lot of money. Sent this to me because they know I work miracles for a reasonable rate with no voodoo, no spells. It is all organic. All right, I'm fired. What I'm doing is I have a junker, I have a bunch of R5 parts, or just literally a box full of R5s that I've cannibalized and take stuff from, and this is a mint condition LCD screen for an R5. I don't know, I'm about 80% sure that works. Let's dive in. Don't have a lot of time. With the Canon R line, I love to start off with the eyepiece cover, viewfinder cover, whatever you want to call it, bruh. Screws in now, so we're gonna get that right there, boy. Hope everybody's doing well, staying focused, staying positive. Go ahead, and if you're a subscriber, you could, all your friends that have cameras and stuff like that, you can tell them, hey, there's this handsome guy on YouTube, you should check it out. I was really thinking on, I want to repair something live. I don't know if that would actually, if anybody's watching this video. Pull that leatherette back. Sorry, I'm talking about other stuff. Pull that leatherette back, and you got 2 screws behind the leatherette on the bottom. On the R6, you actually are supposed to pop out. I've done that and showed, I think I made a couple videos where I had to remove that, but not on the R5. It is totally different, and there is more as well, if I'm not mistaken. Or is that on the bottom of the, I don't know, we'll see. But I guess once I get some more, I don't know, honestly, I don't even know how to do live. Don't really do social media, to be honest. But I think it would be interesting to go live and do a repair. Be kind of cool, Let y'all choose, put like 3 cameras up and be like, hey, here's the issues with these cameras. Tell which ones do y'all want me to do. Boom. And then we go from there. I don't know, I think that'd be a little different. And then fail or succeed, do it live. You're as cold as ice. Pull back the leatherette, get up in that corner. You got 4 screws. Here's the thing. You're going to do these 4 silver screws, and you're not going to touch those. Just don't do it. I remember doing it the first R5 I took apart. You just don't do it. Well, what is it, Hanson? Don't worry about it, Billy. Pull back the leather right here. If I'm not mistaken, we have 2 there. And we're going to turn this right upside down right there. All right. Yiggle. Yiggle. All right. Now we're going to give it a little wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Come on now, y'all. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle with me. Wiggle with me now. Oh, you don't want to get out, do you? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And my favorite flex connector, literally, is right here. Ooh, that push in, baby. Baby. Okay. Okay. Alright. Alright. This right here makes no sense at all. None whatsoever. How? Like, what are we doing here? Because this don't make no sense, bruh. Oh, gotcha. Here we go. So the flex connector is definitely broken. Yeah, we're not gonna mess with that. We're gonna go ahead and replace the screen. Starting to really like this guy. You might make the cut, bro. Look, you might make the cut. Chilling with the homies. Alright. Fired again. It's okay. Been fired before. Alright, so we're gonna get that right there. Gonna get these screws off. And these flimsy flex cables, I don't really like those. Okay, we're gonna lift you up. Get you right there. We're just gonna remove you. We're gonna do you. I think it sits like that. No. Yep, just like that. When I move, you move. Just like that. Heck yeah, DJ, bring that back. We got that sitting in correctly. Uh-oh. Y'all didn't get that forehead in there, did y'all? We're gonna try that. Don't forget these 2 top screws. Dang, I'm gonna make a spin-off of Top Gun called Top Screws. Is that cool? Would that be cool? No? Not cool? Bad dad joke? I'll sell the idea then. Somebody will buy it. Top screws. Boom. You hear that click? Ooh-wee. Come on, Betsy. All right. Let's pray to the camera gods. Boom. And have an... Oh, Billy. Oh, man. See if touchscreen works. Oh, Billy. Oh, you done did it. Cool beans. Told you you're gonna be a quick one, boy. It was quick, easy, and fast, which I like. Also, I like this camera. I do. Pick up. Shooting live would be cool. And I could like show y'all my junkyard and all that stuff. But I don't know. That'll probably be a little later. Maybe next year. Gotta make sure that little nub goes in the hole. Let's do these three. Quick three on the bottom. Back around and pull that back or it'll go in a little bit of oblong. That's a cool name. All right, we still recording, making sure, man, I get in the zone, like auto zone. Oh, there go the mic batteries again. I told Billy charge my microphone, but he just keeps getting stuck watching NASCAR. Gosh, killing me, Billy. Well, it was fun. It was real fun. I love it when it goes easy. Oh, I guess we did rewrite history because it never goes as easy. Man, it did go pretty easy for us this time. Set the big, there's a big side and a small side. Sorry, I've done so many videos for y'all. I think everybody watching has followed me since the first video. There's one side that's smaller, one side that's bigger. You need to line them up. It won't go in the wrong way. In the way that you test the diopter, because that is what this is once you get the screw in. Hey, coming down the street in my 6-4. Alright, was that fire number 4? But you can tell when you test it, you can see the viewfinder going back and forth, up and down, because that's literally what it's doing to adjust for your eyesight. And it was very fun. Glad it went this easy, and hope you all have a positive day, because I will. Like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. I can dig it. All right, now, peace. I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, I'm no